Holy cow. All right, guys, it is pitch dark out. I went to sleep. Started about 10 o'clock. Nice, gentle breeze. Boat was sailing, cooking along. 2 or 3 knots. Real gentle breeze. Very, very gentle. Wasn't doing much at all. But we're cooking along. I set my alarm for every hour. Woke up 11 o'clock. Everything's fine. Still on course. I woke up just a little bit before midnight. Some of the most heckacious winds. Holy cow, I have no idea how hard she was blowing, but she was blowing something fierce. Sail was flipped over backwards because it caught it at a wrong angle. So I was able to get everything tuned in, cooking along. We were doing top hole speed, I'm guessing, about 7.5, 8 knots, about as fast as it could go, I think. And she was just, for about 35 minutes, this boat, the boat and the sails was pushed to its about as far as it could be pushed, I guess. I don't know what that was. And now, as you can tell, it's still pitch dark. Oh, and the rain started about 20 minutes into the wind. But it's totally dead again. Yeah, come on. Can I have just like a little wind, a little wind all the way through? I don't know. I don't have to have it all at once. Maybe I need to be more specific with my prayers, eh? Well, there you have it.